Hey everyone, TechCrap here, and I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new 3.1.2 firmware for your iPod/iPhone using the new BlackRa1n for Mac. As you can see, I'm running the new 3.1.2 firmware right now. And there's Cydia, BlackRa1n, and the new Rock Your iPhone application. It's pretty much the new Cydia. First thing you want to do is open up your internet and go to BlackRa1n.com, BlackRa1n.com. If you're on Windows, you're going to click Windows, and if you're on Mac, you're going to want to click the Mac icon. Considering we are doing this on a Mac and there's a gajillion Windows tutorials, we're gonna download it. I've already downloaded this, so I'm gonna skip that step, but it's only a 20-second download, so go for it. As soon as you do that, you're gonna have the little BlackRa1n drop on your computer. You're gonna want to open that. Little box is gonna pop up. At this point, you're gonna want your iPod or iPhone to be completely on and plugged in, but iTunes to be disconnected. So as soon as you do all that, you're gonna want to click the Make It Rain button, and almost instantly your iPod is gonna shut off and go into DFU mode, and a picture of GeoHot's gonna pop up. Right now, that means it's working. So less than 15 seconds later, a box is gonna pop up on your computer saying enjoy your jailbreak. Just ignore it or close out of it. At this point, it's no longer needed. Everything you want's on here. As you can see, it's working. It's loading, and you're just gonna want to let it sit for about a minute. When this is all said and done, it's gonna refresh your iPod. You're just gonna want to let your iPod or iPhone sit for a couple seconds. When this box pops up, you're gonna just want to close out of it. It's just telling you it's done. You're gonna want to wait for your iPod to refresh. As you can see, 20 seconds later, my iPod is turning back on. Come on, you can do it. And with that, you are successfully jailbroken. At this point, you are not going to have Cydia on there, but because it's not a full restart, I still had all my applications on here. As soon as you get it, open the BlackRa1n application, and you'll be greeted by this screen. It includes Cydia, Rock, and Icy, which are all different forms of Cydia. The brand new one, Rock, is 10 times faster than Cydia and Icy. It's pretty smooth and it looks really nice, so I definitely think you should get that one. But considering I have those two, I'm going to show you how to get Icy or any of these. You pretty much just click one of them until you get the check mark. You can do all three if you want, and then you go up and hit install, and it's going to install it. You gotta wait for the respring. Downloading each one takes about 30 seconds each. With that, you got this. And if I go through every one of my apps, there it is, Icy. Real quick, I'm going to show you around the new Rock application. Like I said before, it's pretty much just like Cydia, but a lot cleaner. It updates almost instantly. I just restored it, so you can back up all your Cydia and Rock applications. Down at the bottom, we've got Rock, What's New, Category, Search, and Manage. The best part of this is, well, there's a lot of best parts, but one of them is that it brings all of your sources from Cydia. I haven't installed any yet. And as you can see how colorful this is and how much cleaner it looks already compared to Cydia. You just open it up, and if you give it a second, what the application will look like, the icons right there. There's ratings. As you can see, a couple of them are rated by stars, and yeah. When you pick one that you like, the description and all the information pops up instantly, the screenshots and all that. Back on Cydia, you had to wait a little while for that to load, and it pops up almost instantly. I already have this, but I'm going to install it. This little checklist box pops up. Again, looks really nice and neat compared to Cydia and Icy. You're going to want to hit confirm, and this little download box pops up. What I just found out is that you can minimize it, or yeah, so you can have downloads going down there while you're searching around, which was a big thing on Cydia. If you had a big download, it could take 10 minutes. This you can browse and have a couple things downloading. You can just pull it back up. I apologize, my hands are severely shaky. This is my first video and I am terrible at it. And whenever it's done, you're just going to want to hit close. One of the brighter parts about this application is that you can do it in landscape mode and it's just as clean. The search is pretty much the same. Manage. You can the first thing you're going to want to do when you get this is set up a Rock account with your email. And what it does is, let's say you ever restore or upgrade to the next pack, next time you don't have any, like you want to restore it and all your applications are gone, like your Cydia applications, you have to reinstall all that. You just open up Rock, type in your email and password, and all your applications are backed up. You can just hit download and it'll re-download every single one you've had, which that's a pretty big plus because it's like my 5th jailbreak and it sucks having to download everything all over again. Another key part about this application is when something's done downloading, you can, and it like needs a restart or a respring, you can just postpone that. You can, like, it'll say do it now or wait till you close the application, which is pretty good because Cydia used to take forever to start, and now like you had to load all the sources, and now you could just do everything you want at once, and then as soon as you restart it, life is good. So that is pretty much it. That was Rock. It's pretty much the new Cydia. Yeah, so this was my 3.1.2, right? Yeah, 3.1.2 jailbreak for everything except for the Ipod Touches, the 2nd generation, the 8 gig with the serial code starting with MC. Then this will not work for you, but every other device, as well as the 3rd generation Ipod Touch, this will work for you, but it's going to be a tethered jailbreak, which means you're going to have to run BlackRa1n every time you restart your iPod. And that's it for now. Check back for updates. This is my first video, so I apologize, it sucks. My hands are incredibly shaky. I'll get better at that, I promise. But yeah. So this was the BlackRa1n jailbreak for 3.1.2 for Mac. Thanks for watching.